Look at this. Do you not understand what this is? Do you know what this is, guys? Do you freaking understand? I'm not talking to myself. Is the Umbrella Armories Crytek SPR, and someone lended it to me, and we're gonna use it today. Gotta try to stand out. Oh my gosh, you don't understand, guys. I'm in heaven. I have such a hard airsoft boner right now. Do you not understand? Just like Dutch's gun, basically. Just like Dutch's gun, basically. Just like Dutch's gun, basically.
I'm glad you're very recognizable. The blue shoes do it for me, bro.
Yeah.
I'm gonna look for them. Okay?
Yeah, I'm HumorDash. These are my signature shoes, blue and red, okay? I run fast, sled fast, and eat fast. I said that was pretty fast.
Man, that bang took it in, man.
Hey, he burnt my patch.
Alright. What are you doing?
This episode is brought to you by...
What are you doing?
What are you doing?
We can't go past the church. Can we go in the church?
If you can make it up there, go up there.
You want to go with me? We'll use one, or we'll use each other as a decoy. Let's do it.
Yeah, let's do it.
Okay, you want to go? Oh shit. Close.
Oh shit, I keep running out of ammo really quick.
Up, hit! I got hit. Okay, Zach, we should probably move somewhere.
I'm gonna have to reload, probably.
Where are we going, Zach? Where are we going?
To church.
Where's he at?
Stop hiding, move up there. Move up to the left. Just run for it. I'll cover you. You're coming up 30 with the good one. I can get him.
Yeah, I got them all. Oh, thanks. Whew, wow, I can't believe I got them.
I'm down to my grenades.
Really?
Yeah.
Still have ammo left too. I'm going to the other one. Ah, hit!
I don't think I got him. I wanted to throw him so I hit him in the crotch, but yeah, I know it landed right there.
Papa John.
I thought I had it all together, but I was led astray the day you walked away. You were the clock that was ticking in my
Let's bring it to the girl carry-out. Alright, put Papa John on.
And I run so far away. And I run so far away. I run all day and night. Yeah, I did. Good thing this shit, this ball.
Hold on.
Oh really? Oh, I'm not there. I mean, like, it's not good. It ain't good at all. Welcome to another big document story. Today we have the shirt and the kid. He's gonna get some kills today. We just get lit up. Get any. Woo. Yeah. Dab. Okay. You gotta do a dab. People still dab, and it's a sad world. We live in a society. Dab.
There's one room, guys, one room.
Spread out.
Frag that. Frag that.
Hit. Dude, I got you. Hey. I got you. I got you. I got you in the plate carrier.
Say it again.
I got you in the plate carrier before you.
If you did, my fault.
Yeah, good game though.
Woo! Damn, you tagged.
Fucking yeah.
No, that was you. Yeah, you got me. Got to hide behind me.
Well, I'll do a replay of that.
Someone fucked my arms.
I'm sorry that happened to you. Yeah, they shoot fucking hard in there. They need to tone it down with their guns. Their guns shoot way too hot. Although it doesn't look like much, I'm pretty sure I got him. I'm gonna back it up and I'm gonna put it in slow motion for you guys to see, but to me, I feel like he actually, I probably got him. And later in the clip, he was even holding his leg down, winching in pain, when obviously I was the only one in the room who shot him, and he was claiming that not only that Gunner shot him, but then he looks up, oh yeah, he has a pistol. Obviously he didn't shoot him. Again, and he might have actually tagged him then as well, and he just keeps running at him and shooting at him when he comes into the corner, which that, to me, is like, he's just shooting him point blank with his gun, and he hurt his arm, obviously. So, I don't know what to say about this one. This is just like, I don't really like it. It's a fun game, and all, but like, at the end of the day, is it really okay just to come in and shoot somebody with, like, your gun shooting, really hot? Maybe this guy didn't feel it, but, and to me, I think he was in the moment. Everybody gets in that moment, and you know what, this is airsoft. I mean, don't get mad, but you know what, that's all I have to say about this one. And that concludes the Airsoft Innovations grenade review, cyclone grenade review. Okay guys, we have reviewed the cyclone grenade. It has taken us 2.5 years since it's been released. I have no clue. I will put that up on the screen when it was released. Okay, so I'm gonna put in my review on Airsoft GI, and this is what I put in. I'm very pleased with the grenade. It never fails to go off. Just always remember to lube up before you throw your kids. Gotta lube up before you throw your kids, guys. I personally love the Airsoft Innovations cyclone grenades. I have 2 of them. Pros, doesn't weigh that much, but the plastic is very, very durable. Number 2, good for chucking at people's crotches to get a victory royale. Gotta get that victory royale. We gotta get better than Ninja. Oh yeah, make sure you go sub or follow Forced Opinions on Twitch. He does content. Yeah, he is one of my friends at the field. Comes with several free skins when you get the base game, made by Epic Airsofters. You get a black one and you get an orange one, and you get the blue one that comes on the grenade. Goes great with a default dance after you get that kill. Oh yeah, you gotta have that default dance, guys. Gotta have it. Doesn't work for dogs is a con. Honestly, I thought it would work for dogs, but they don't really like it. 1.5. Choking hazard, not for the kids under the age of 3. This was a big bummer for me, as I thought the O-rings were lifesavers. It's great, and that's the problem. That was number 4. Con number 4. Had a big huge gap between 1.5 and 4. Don't know what happened there. Yeah, it was great, and that was the problem. So please buy the grenade. It's not a bad grenade. I'm just making a stupid review. Don't take this anything but satire, okay, guys? Okay, and the rating is good, and that's the review.